hand over to me. What's going on, everybody out there in Coach's Corner? It's your boy Coach Saul. As always, getting ready for this NPC that's coming in 9.5 weeks. Today is my chest and back day. All I'm going to show you guys is the full sets of what I do. Right now I'm at 215 pounds. I have 20 more pounds to get to the 195. As you can see, I got my sweatshirt on. I'm dressed very warmly, that way I can get more heat into my body to sweat more. This exercise right here is called the hammer strength. It mimics the flat bench. And as soon as I'm done with that, we're going to jump right over to the chest flies, so the chest pulls rather. Extremely wide grip. My man Jermaine is here. Say what's up, Jermaine.
Oh, what's up, everybody?
He's doing the filming for me. He's going to be doing the filming, and soon you're going to see him working out as well. Because he too wants to get a fit, and he lives his life as well. So,
I don't know about all that.
Watch me bang these sets out. Let's go, Jermaine. Let me get this set. Here we go.
How much weight is this? How much weight is this?
Huh?
How much weight is this?
Oh, this weight right here, I'm not sure. I'll tell you in a second. It's 245 pounds to be exact. It mimics the flat bench. It's a set at 225. That was 10. I pushed down, kept my back nice and hard, kept the chest up, kept that space. Now walk with me, we're going to go ahead and do these pull-ups.
Go ahead.
Here we are in the pull-up bar.
This place looks cool over here.
Say it again?
I said this place looks cool over here. They got all these crazy balls in the ceiling and shit.
I like about Gold's Gym. This is the spot right here. They got a whole different spot, a whole lot of stuff.
I like the fake grass. I like the fake grass. Looks good. Looks good.
Right now we're about to do these pull-ups real quick. I'm about to do these pull-ups. This is the last part of the superset. Then we're going to come back at you and I'm doing an incline. So check out this. How I do these. What I do is I go to failure on them, I go as deep down as I can, come all the way to the top, and try to make sure I get that chest to hit that bar as much as I can. Well, I appreciate you guys watching this first round. The second round is coming up. I got 4 more of these to go. So I'll catch you guys up here in a little bit in the next set.